Hello all, this is Dr. K, and today I am going to go through the WebCat plugin installation instructions, and I'm going through it cold, so let's see how this works. Okay, so make sure you have installed Eclipse first, number one. I have installed Eclipse, it's right down here. And then start Eclipse if you don't already have it running. Okay, I'm going to do that. And this may take a while. All right, maybe it won't take as long as I thought. Okay, not too bad. Got my Hello CS5704 project there. Has nothing in it yet. Okay, so we need to install an additional plugin to make some common tasks in this course easier. Open the Help menu and select Install New Software. Install new software. There it is. All right. And in the work with field, please paste the following URL and press enter. Okay, work with. And the URL, hope I typed this right, is http web-cat.org/ECLSTATS. ECL stats. Okay, and press enter. Okay, I pressed enter. And it actually did something. Okay, so click the checkbox next to WebCat Electronic Assignments. I assume that means WebCat Electronic Assignments feature in the list, and click Next. All right, so I guess I'm not using this other one, so I'm going to go ahead and follow the instructions. Click Next. And then review your selection. All right, I'm reviewing my selection. Everything looks good here, and click Next again. And then read this whole thing. Okay, that would take me several hours. It doesn't actually say to read this whole thing, but just kind of scrolling down, seeing what that looks like. Okay, I'm going to blindly accept this agreement. And I assume I click finish here because that's, yep. Okay, so it's installing software. Warning, you are installing software that contains unsigned content. The authenticity or validity of this software cannot be established. Do you want to continue with the installation? Yes, I do. Let me just see what, wait while the plugins are downloaded. You may get a warning about installing. Click OK to continue. All right, I just want to make sure I'm following the exact instructions here. All right, so where was I? Okay, now I am on 8. When the installation is complete, Eclipse will notify you that it should be restarted in order for the changes to take place. Yes. Wonderful. It's doing exactly what it says it's going to do. Okay. And let me just start reading 9. Before you can begin working on the class assignments, you need to configure a couple of settings in Eclipse's preferences. Once Eclipse is restarted, select Window Preferences, or on Mac, Eclipse Preferences from the menu. Okay, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to find Eclipse. The WebCat Eclipse plugin will collect development data as well as snapshots of your code for curriculum and class purposes. Your data will not be published, used for research, or used for other purposes without your express consent. Okay. All right, Eclipse Preferences. Oh my goodness, now look at that. All right, so Eclipse Preferences. Once Eclipse is restarted, select or on Mac OS X. I've done that. Click Configured Assignments from the left panel and copy and paste the following URL. WebCat Assignments, is that what it said? I think so. Oh, Configured Assignments. You know what? I'm going to guess Configured Assignments means WebCat Assignments. And because it's asking me for these URLs. Okay. Submission definition URL. Okay. And that is, I'm going to type in this whole thing, https://webcat. Wow. Okay, so click OK to save your changes. And exit the preference window. Okay, that sounds good. So there you have it. I've installed the plugin. How do I know it works? Well, maybe that will be the subject of the next video.